each way is to win the day. Fucking.
On this episode, we're doing a delicious and half-healthy cheeseburger salad. Fry up a pound of extra lean ground beef. I got mine from Countryside Meat Shop. And add onion powder, garlic, salt and pepper. Deglaze the pan with Worcestershire sauce and some beef broth. Remove from heat and add 3 slices of Velveeta. Put your roof on. Cut up and wash some lettuce. Buddy with the spins. Time to assemble. First your lettuce. Next your cheesy meat. Top her off with some pickles, onion, and tomato. A few more pickles for good luck. Now you're going to add a drizzle of mustard, ketchup, and yogurt ranch. Pairs perfectly with a Diet Pepsi. Yummy, yummy.
I feel healthier already. Get it in ya.